The word we'll be learning in this section is nyujo, which you will often hear in contexts involving events or performances. For example, you might hear it when discussing the admission process to a concert, entering an amusement park, or going into a movie theater. The word nyujo means the action of entering or admission to a place. It's commonly used when talking about going into events, buildings, or performances such as sports games, concerts, or museums. The first kanji means to enter or to put something into something, like the action of going in or inserting. In everyday words, it appears in nyugaku, where it gives the idea of entering a school, and in nyuryoku, where it means putting data into a system. The second kanji means a place or location, the physical spot or scene where something happens. You see it in basho, meaning a location, and in kaijo, meaning the venue or place where an event is held. Please give me a ticket. 入場券をください。入場券をください。There's an admission limit. 入場制限があります。入場制限があります。Entry is not permitted here. ここは入場不可です。ここは入場不可です。The most common synonyms of the yujo are ryukan and ryushitsu. Ryukan refers specifically to entering a building or museum, while ryushitsu typically refers to entering a room, such as a classroom or conference room. The most common antonyms of the nyujo are taishitsu and taijo. Taishitsu means to exit or leave a place, generally referring to buildings or houses. Kaijo refers more specifically to leaving a venue or a performance area.